just going to run through with us how to get a UK bank account with these guys before you go to London, which is a great thing to do because it is very confusing and quite difficult when you get there. So firstly, Kim, how difficult is it to get a bank account when you're in the UK, and why is it difficult?
Okay, it's difficult because when you first arrive, you generally need to have proof of either a UK residential address, your own UK residential address, and often banks require you to be employed, so they like to see a letter of offer. That's pretty tough to do in your first week of arriving in the UK.
Yeah, so it would be, if you did go over to the UK, it's probably about like a 4-week lead time really before you could even apply, because you need to get the job, the address, the employment letter.
Yeah, so it's a bit catch-22. I mean, you need to get your name on a lease agreement without having a bank account and that sort of thing. So
right.
It gets quite difficult. But Visa First help you sort of skip those hurdles by allowing you to only need to show proof of an Australian residential address as opposed to a UK residential address.
So how does that work in respect to, okay, I'm going to the UK in 6 weeks, crap, I need a bank account, Visa First, I need a bank account. Okay. And you kind of go...
Yep, your Visa First consultant would just chat through eligibility and requirements and that sort of thing. They'd also discuss with you where you're planning on heading to the UK in terms of whether you'd be able to pop into a London office to meet bank officials and that sort of thing.
Oh, okay. Good point.
So you would need to come to London in order to activate your account.
Okay.
We then run through what documents you'd need to provide. So you just need to prove your identity, and you'd need to show proof of an Australian residential address.
When I've landed in London?
Absolutely.
Okay.
So there's no documentation that you need to provide to us here in Australia before you go. All you need to do is register for the product.
Oh, okay. So I ring you, I register in Australia, I go to London, and you've told me that I need my proof of address back in Australia.
Yep, that's right.
And that's where I'm going to pick up my cards? Like, do I have cards?
How it works is that you pop into a London office, meet with a bank official, they'll activate your account for you. You'll have account details within 24 hours. You then receive your ATM card, or switch card as they call it in the UK, in the post within 5 days after that.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Yeah, so you'll need a friend or family member's address to have it sent to.
Okay. So it takes that. So you can't pick it up from the London office?
If it's a difficult situation, then you can arrange to pick it up from the bank.
Okay.
But it's generally faster if you just they send it straight out.
And how much does it cost to get it organised from this end?
75 Australian dollars. That's all you pay. There's no need for a minimum deposit or anything like that, and there's no extra charges once you arrive in the UK.
So to set up a bank account before I leave Australia, it's going to cost you guys $75, hassle-free.
Absolutely.
That's great.
Yeah, it is good.
Okay, so I get a switch card, like if I want a checkbook for any reason, I can apply for that.
Absolutely.
Okay.
When you meet with the bank officials in our office, you just tell them what you need.
Okay.
If you need online banking, absolutely not a problem. If you wanted a checkbook, you could certainly opt for that also. Credit card could be an option, but that's at the bank's discretion.
Oh, okay. So they're obviously going to have to do a credit check, like any
I can imagine so.
Yeah, of course. Okay. Well, that is ridiculously easy.
It is easy.
So guys, if you really want a hassle-free way, it looks like Visa First can definitely help you out. So give them a call. It's only going to cost you $75, and trust me, I've been there, I've done that, and I didn't do it this way, and it is difficult. So give them a call. Sounds easy. Thanks, Kim.
Thank you.
I really am impressed, actually. I was like, damn it, I had to have like £1,500.
Yeah, that's normally with HSBC.
Yeah, it costs $195 at the moment.
Yeah,
to set
and
up.
You can't access the funds for a certain amount of time, supposedly.
Yeah,
too.
that's it, 6 weeks or 6
Yeah,
weeks.
which I can't see how anyone can do that.
I can't understand how it's so simple for you guys.
I know. It's great.